Welcome back, guys. I'm Rajan. Today we're going to look at 5 most useful tongue twisters that will help you sound clear and improve your pronunciation in English. So this is part 2 of tongue twister. Let's get started. Number 1, 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent elephants. It is short but extremely challenging. Try this a little bit faster. 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent, like this. Try this over and over again. Number 2, 4 fine fresh fish for you. 4 fine fresh fish for you. 4 fine fresh fish for you. Try this as well. Number 3. Number 3 is a proper copper coffee pot. A proper copper coffee pot. Number 4, Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. Yeah, this is by far the most challenging tongue twister. So lastly, number 5. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout the Thursday. So now we are in the ending of this video. I want you to make a note of all these and practice them every single day, even if 10 minutes. And if you keep practicing them for months, then you will get faster at pronouncing them, and slowly over time you will speak fast, clear English, and also your English pronunciation will improve. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, for supporting me. Yeah, bye bye guys, see you in the next video.